Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here and I hope you click on that little subscribe button as I'm getting started here with today's project. So I've got a really great masculine birthday card that is quick to put together and has some fun detail in it that anyone can do. So without further ado, let's get started. The key component to today's project is this background piece, and I just have a piece of white cardstock with the geometric roulette stencil from Altenew in place. And I'm going to be using a stencil brush today with the Obsidian Black Pigment ink from Altenew. So I just load up my brush and gently hold the side here so that the paper doesn't move. And I'll be swiping in one direction. And you'll see that I'm getting these kind of swipe marks from the brush, which is exactly the texture that I'm looking for. So this stencil is pretty delicate. Using a stencil brush works really well because I can focus my ink in kind of a precision way without really upsetting the stencil too much. So just move my finger out of the way here and grab in the corner to make sure that I have everything covered. I can kind of dab at it a little bit to get into some of the crevices around the edges here. And of course, with stenciling, you can make it as light or as dark as you'd like it. But I will be stamping in the center here, so I don't want to get too dark. All right, so that's pretty good. Now I can go ahead and remove my piece, and I have a perfectly stenciled background. All right, so now that the stenciling is done, I'm going to add in some detail with just a black journaling pen. And all of the thin lines I'm going to add a freehand line to. And what I found to be best is to go in one direction at a time so that I don't miss any of these little lines as I go. And I'm just going around, making sure that I go off the page instead of stopping short in the places where it does go off the page. That way it really seems more natural and not as a contrived concept. So it just comes right off the page. And I don't care if the lines are perfectly straight. I'm looking for that hand-drawn aspect. But I find that if I do a nice firm line, that it works out pretty well and they don't get too wonky. All right, so now that I've finished all of the thin lines in one direction, I can come around and do them in the other direction to start matching them up. And you'll see there's always one missing, and that's the thick line that comes in between. Now I've got all of my lines in place. That's actually the hardest part of the whole project. All I have to do now is put a sentiment and do some assembly. So I have the words put together from the Faceted Stars stamp set, and it says, wishing you a wonderful birthday. And I already have them aligned the way that I wanted to have them set up. It takes a little bit just to make sure that they're all straight and everything is spaced out together properly. So I'll be using that same Obsidian Black and just stamping it right in the center here, like so. All right, and then I've got a piece of Lagoon cardstock already on a card base, so this is all ready to go. And this piece was already cut down to 4 by 5 1/4, so it will fit in there perfectly. You can see I had a little try on the back and it didn't work out so well, so it's all covered up now. But there we go. All right, and then something that really finishes this project off is some of the enamel dots from the Cool Summer Nights set. I'm going to grab 3 of them here and just place them in a little bit of a triangle, and that will finish this project off. So a really great masculine card that you can put together rather quickly and do some hand detail that I'm sure the recipient will really appreciate. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I'll be back soon with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, but until next time, happy crafting.